So hello guys, it's me again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by DMCI Homes. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang recently turnover project ni DMCI Homes, which is the Fairlane Residences. So guys, to give you an introduction on this project, si Fairlane Residences is a one-tower development. Nagko-consist siya ng 6,000 square meters na property. So malaki yung property niya for a one-tower development. And it also has 52 floors. And syempre, yung pang 53rd natin, nandun yung roof deck. So papakita ko sa inyo pagdating natin sa loob. So tara guys! So by the way guys, bago ko makalimutan pala, so nandito tayo sa West Capitol Drive, Kapitolyo, Pasig. So yung papunta dito, sa side na to, dyan papuntang Shaw, papuntang Pioneer. And dito naman sa kabilang side, is going to BGC or Makati Kalayaan. So as we enter, so nandito ang ating walk path or ang ating pedestrian. And we also have our security here. Actually guys, natutuwa ako sa security team ng DMCI kasi napakaganda nung system nila sa pag-assist at saka pagbibigay ng security dito sa project natin. So take note guys meaning yung security natin napakaganda. And makikita naman natin dito ang entrance natin. And this is the cul-de-sac o yung ating rotunda. So yung drop-off area natin. And on that side, nandun yung ating shooting court. So sige, pasok muna tayo sa ating lobby. So this is our lobby guys. So nandito ang ating concierge. So bago tayo pumasok, kailangan may schedule tayo or lista tayo dito. And on this side naman, so ito pala guys, this is one of DMCI projects din, si Brixton, sa kabilang side yan. Kung baka maitanong nyo kung anong building yan. So we have 2 towers ni Brixton. So ito guys, meron tayong garden path. So this is a fake grass para hindi siya madaling masira. So pwede maglakad dito, ating mga dogs yan. And we also have the tables and chairs. So this is for our picnic areas. And we also have the grillers. So we have 2 barbecue pits. So napaka ganda dito guys kapag halimbawa magre-relax tayo with our families, friends. Yan, we get to enjoy yung time dito sa pag-ihaw, pag-grill. So tara guys. And ito naman guys, makikita naman natin dito sa side na to, which is this is the pool areas. So we have the lap pool. So it is an Olympic size pool. Standard 25 meters, 4 lanes. And it is also interconnected with the leisure pool. So makikita naman natin dito, ayan o. Dire-diretso siya doon. And we also have the kiddie pool doon sa side, doon sa dulo. Ito guys, yung project na to na si Fairlane, parang upgraded na talaga siya dahil yung kiddie pool natin dito is may water slide na. So they get to enjoy to swim there kasi hindi na sila kailangan masyado pang mag-iisip na pumunta ng water park kasi nandyan na. And bakit? Papakita ko pa sa inyo dahil yung kiddie pool natin adjacent siya dun sa playground area. So tara. So ito guys, this is the kiddie pool. Ito yung sinasabi ko. And nandyan yung water slide. And on this side, this is the playground area. So you get your kids to enjoy and be active dun sa activities nila. So papakita ko naman sa inyo yung other side of the lobby. So makikita naman natin dito sa signs ng ground floor. Dito ang ating reception area, open lounge, snack bar, and toilet. So papakita ko yung snack bar. So this is the snack bar. So in the future, magkakaroon dito na we don't know if it's a coffee shop or kung ano man yung magiging ano niyan, establishment diyan. And napakaganda dito guys kasi ang hangin niya. And you get to enjoy this kind of weather. So we have tables and chairs. So resort na resort yung furnitures na nandito. And also guys, yung this side, makikita naman natin dito, you have the pocket garden. So, karamihan sa mga DMCI Homes project, ayan, dito nila wino-walk around ang kanilang pets. So, they get to use the yung pag-stroll ng pets nila. Yeah, so it's a pet-friendly community. And also guys, just to give you a disclaimer, yung pet pet requirements natin, we have to ask our PMO and our agents regarding about that. So, ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa basement 1 ni Fairline Residences. So, what are we going to see here? So, at the B1 parking, we have the PMO, fitness gym, entertainment room, water station, convenience store, and laundry station. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa isa sa mga favorite na lugar ko dito. Is our gym. So tara. So guys, ito nga pala, yung basement parking natin, makikita nyo naman dito na napakalawak ng mga slotting niya. So hindi magsasuffer yung mga cars nyo sa pag-uumpog ng mga pintuan with each of cars. So right now, ayan, papasok tayo sa ating fitness gym. So, pasok tayo guys. Ayan. So, ano ba makikita natin dito? Ayan, mga fitness equipments. So, we have the leg press, the lat pull down, we have the treadmills, the bicycle, ayan, yung mga squat rack, and also our dumbbells. Ayan, syempre ang aking mga pinaka-favorite na ano dyan is itong dumbbells. So, tingnan nga natin kung totoo ba yung bigat niya para at least may idea tayo. Di ba? Totoo guys. So ayan, pupunta naman tayo sa isang amenity ni Fairline Residences, which is yung entertainment room. Guys, natutuwa kasi ako dito dahil yung entertainment room na to napakalaki, which is I think 20 packs. Maluwag pa kayo kahit na mag-held kayo ng event or private party dito sa ano na to, lugar na to. Okay. So ito guys, ang isang entertainment room ni Fairline. So we have the entertainment set. Ayan, makikita nyo, ang Filipino is mahilig mag-videoke. So meron tayong videoke machine. So we have 2 couch and we could also set up some buffet tables there. So for this kind of space, yan, napaka-utilizing nitong ano na to, entertainment room. So meron tayong mga water dispenser na. So you get to have your water here. So hindi na kayo kailangan umakyat pa sa mga units nyo, nandito na siya. So tara guys, punta na tayo sa roof deck. So guys, we're here at the roof deck. So makikita naman natin dito kung ano yung mga nandito sa roof deck. So we have the Sky Lounge, common toilet na meron pa rin tayo, and yung snack bar. So ngayon guys, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga amazing views dito sa Fairline Residences. So ito yung para sa akin yung isang definition na 360-degree view. And bakit? We have the Mandaluyong side, Makati side, Ortigas side, Laguna de Bay side. Ito guys, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung Mandaluyong side. Yan, which is there. And ayan, makikita na natin dito yung building na to, yung dalawang building na yan. That is a DMCI projects also, which is si Sheridan. Isa sa mga gustong project ko rin yan dahil napakalaki ng mga amenities niyan. And also guys, yan, yung Mandaluyong na yan, yung Greenfield, nakikita nyo. So nakikita nyo ngayon guys, yung may arc na yan na pababa, that is the Flair Residences. So it is one of the successful projects din ni DMCI Homes. And makikita naman natin dito on this side is yung papuntang QC. So yung Quezon City area natin. And also yung Mega Mall and Shangri-La nandun sa side na yun. And on this side guys, makikita naman natin dito yung Antipolo view. So tingnan nyo guys ha, unobstructed view ang meron tayo dito kay Fairlane Residences. So papakita ko naman sa inyo yung kabilang side ni Fairlane, which is yung papuntang BGC and Makati. And to think guys na kapag nakikita natin yung mga ganitong klaseng views, it's either malalapit siya, strategic yung place niya, so hindi tayo mahihirapan pumunta sa mga kanya-kanyang lugar ng bawat Central Business District. So we have the Bonifacio Global City. So makikita natin dyan yung mga buildings si BGC. So yung mga offices, mga businesses na kung meron tayong dyan, nandyan siya. And makikita natin dyan yung mismong bridge na nagko-connect dito sa Capitolio and dun sa BGC. And on this side, nandyan yung Makati, Rockwell, yung dito sa side na itong banda, yung EDSA, nandyan yung Ayala. And we get to see and enjoy the view of Pasig River. Ayan. So meaning guys, yung Pasig River, yung flow ng tubig, alam niyo ibig sabihin yan, swerte daw yan. Yan. Let's go. So on this side, yan, makikita natin dito yung space na Sky Lounge ni Fairlane. Guys, it's so big, it's so spacious. You can hold a party here, an event here. Just ask your property management office kung paano ang gagawin and paano magpa-schedule. And we also have a bar here. So kung may catering tayo, nandyan yung kitchen area natin. So by the way guys, we have 2 elevators dito. So may high zone and low zone. So we have 12 elevators in total. So ito na guys. Ito, matutuwa kayo sa view na to. Which is I'm also excited about this. It's because we get to see the Laguna de Bay view. Yan, makikita natin dito ang Laguna de Bay. Ito guys, oh, makikita nyo yung Pasig River and the Laguna de Bay, interconnected siya. So by the way guys, nakikita nyo yung may building dyan na naka-cover up pa. So that's Allegra Garden Place. Isa rin yan sa mga magagandang projects in DMCI Homes. If you have any questions about it, just feel free to message me. Yan, ipopost ko dito ang aking mga social media links and ang aking mga contacts. And yung sa kabilang side, yung sa mas mababa, which is si Prisma Residences. So yung dalawang building na yan, na turnover na. So tara guys, doon naman tayo sa kabilang side. Yung Antipolo view. So ito guys, if you're coming from a work or a business trip na medyo stress kayo, yan, punta lang kayo dito, magpahangin. You get to enjoy the view. Naku, lalo na paggabi guys. I have witnessed this, yung views na to. Kasi nagstay na ako isa sa mga buildings dito. Ang ganda ng mga lights ng mga buildings dito. So it's like an urban lighting na we get used to see. Siyempre nakakapag-relax din sa mga matayan ang ating mga lights. So ito na nga guys, dito tayo sa isang model unit ni Fairlane Residences, which is yung 2BR. So papakita ko yung inner unit na nasa likod ng elevator. So tara! So as we enter, yan, makikita na natin kagad ang ating kitchen. So this is an L-type kitchen. So kung tatanungin niyo kami, ng aming mga agents, so ang mga included na to, itong countertop granite finish with kitchen sink, and we also have the cabinets. So this is a soft close system cabinet. Yan, makikita natin dyan. Ito guys, napaka-generous ng cabinets dito, makikita natin dyan. And this is the standard size na ref na makikita natin. So madaling-madali nyo na makikita. So we have the model unit na naka-dress up na. And once we enter here, yan, nandito ang ating dining. Yan. So, ang nakakalaki kasi dito guys is yung mirror. So yan yung isang parang ano natin, yung magic trick natin para mapalaki yung unit. And dito guys, nandito naman ang ating sala. So nandito ang couch, yung TV, ang ating mga entertainment system. So dito kay Fairlane guys is included na yung internet. So yung wifi niya, wifi ready na yung mga units natin dito. So on this side, this is the bathroom. So yung bathroom niya naka-spacious. And ang included lang dyan guys is yung countertop granite finish, the lavatory, and the toilet bowl. Syempre ang ating mga shower heads and yung mga gripo natin kasama yan. And dito guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga bedrooms. So we have 2 bedrooms. So dito muna tayo kay bedroom 2. Meron tayong single bed here. Yan. So kay anak. So sa ating mga mga children yan nandito, pwede natin gawing double deck yan. So you have the option na pwedeng gawin. So yan, meron tayong mga cabinets, open shelves. Napaka-spacious pa rin yan. And yung provision niya for the aircon is window type. And dito tayo guys, syempre sa mga parents na katulad ko. So we have the bedroom 1 or the master's bedroom. So we have the double bed or the queen size bed na pwedeng ilagay dito. And we get to have the cabinets here. So guys, this is just an inspiration. So hindi siya included sa pag-turnover. So makikita nyo naman dyan yung cabinets na pwedeng gawin. So it's a sliding cabinet. So para makapag-maximize na space. So, syempre, kung matutulog tayo, nandiyan yung TV. Ayan. So, let's go. Pupunta naman tayo sa balcony area. So, nandito naman tayo sa isang spacious na balcony ni DMCI Homes, which is si Fairlane Residences. So, tingnan nyo guys. Kaming dalawa ni Mrs. Uupo dito, magda-dialogue, magko-communicate, magkakape. So, napaka-perfect nung place na to. So, papakita ko sa inyo ulit, once again, ang ating 2BR dressed version. So guys, ayun, I hope you like the tour of the Fairlane Residences. So if you have any questions and details, the information that you want to know, and syempre mas maganda kung magre-reserve na. Dahil guys, ito, napakagandang investment na meron tayo kay DMCI Homes. So hindi lang kay Fairlane Residences but also other projects. So by the way guys, this is my contact details, ang aking YouTube channel, ang aking Facebook page, and ang aking Instagram page, and also my TikTok account. So guys, ingat kayo palagi and have a great day ahead and God bless. Ciao!